Welcome, artists and art historians, to the week of September 8th. I'm going to walk you through what we processed last week and what we're looking at this week, beginning on Monday. Okay, so last week we covered Unit 1, and it was an overview of the course, as well as a focus on the writing aspect and especially the research paper. So if you have not yet submitted the research paper, only a few folks have, please listen to the mini recording that's available in the video library. That will help you. I did an extra recording for you, and look at the rubrics and think about it and do your best. Ask me any questions if you still have some. So this week we're going to be covering Unit 2, or the beginning of Unit 2, sorry. On Monday, 2.00, an introduction to ancient art and the different time periods. On Tuesday, 2.01, prehistoric art, with some reading. On Wednesday, Class Connect, and I hope you come because we will talk again about different aspects of prehistoric art and writing assignments and any questions that you may have. I might be able to assist you with those, and we'll do some activities as well. Thursday, Unit 2, Quiz Yourself. On Friday, 2.01, Aegean Art. So, you may notice that in your unit it has certain grades for the graded aspects of the course that do not match your pace chart. Please follow your pace chart. So Wednesday's writing assignment is actually worth 20 points, not 10 as it states in your unit. So when you're working on the writing assignment for next week, the timeline, remember what I said about the work that you're doing throughout the course will apply to your research paper. You're going to be paraphrasing yourself in some instances and revisiting some of the work that you'll look at in a kind of superficial way during your or not superficial, but less focused way when you're doing your shorter papers. One of when you click on the rubric for the writing assignment for this week, please look at the click here aspect. It'll give you some more ideas. It'll talk about the concepts of magic and fertility and ceremony, and also about the different perspectives that are used in prehistoric art that'll be important for you to focus on in your paper. It also says something about 5 pages. Now, 5 pages is the absolute most that I will accept. You do not need to write 5 pages. I think that the material that you need to cover could be covered in 2.5 to 3.5 pages quite easily. If you look at there's 3 major time periods, and there's 3 main concepts, and then there's painting and sculpture. So if you think about it, if you cover a few of the paintings and objects from each period, that's a paragraph each, you're quickly at 2.5 pages, and maybe 3.5 if you're a verbose, wordy writer. And if you're really very descriptive, 5 pages, but I see that as being unnecessarily long. So don't let that scare you. This paper could easily be 2.5 pages and be a great paper. I don't think it could be much shorter than that, though. Okay, so good luck with your reading. Again, don't hesitate to K-mail me. Remember that if you're still seeing your quizzes showing up as 3.41, that's incorrect, and I am changing them to reflect 10% of your grade for the course. All of them will be 10% of your grade. So that's just the way it was calculated. That's a mistake. Okay, I hope to see you on Wednesday, and don't hesitate to send me a K-mail if you need any assistance with figuring out what you're working on for your research paper. Good luck!